my dear friends, welcome to my channel Slides Hub. Today we are going to introduce about Hewlett Packard, which known as HP. And in the computer industry and printing industry, it is a big player with a huge brand image and trust among the users. Its headquarters situated in California, US, and its current CEO is Enric Lors. HP was founded in 1 January 1939 and founders are David Packard and Bill Hewlett. After this, the content in this overview, history, product segmentation, OB dimensions, marketing strategy, McKinsey's 7S, and then conclusion. Overview of the company. HP, as we know, the big player in the industry of computer industry and the printing industry. It is a provider of information technology products, software, solutions and services. And also its services portfolio includes enterprises, IT infrastructure solutions, technology support, outsourcing, integration and consulting services. Its portfolio ranges from individuals to small, medium and large enterprises. It conducts business operations in 170 countries across Americas, Europe, Asia Pacific regions. And the history of HP. It came to India in 1988. HP India has a presence in over 350 cities in the country. And HP Compaq merger in 2002 created the PC company in India with revenue of rupees 35 billion and a combined 17% market share in India. The Indian entities of Hewlett Packard companies are first HP India Sales Private Limited for sales and marketing, and the second Global E-Business Operations Private Limited for transaction processing. Third, HP India Software Operations Private Limited for software development and sales. Fourth, HP Labs India for innovation and to provide breakthrough technology for the rapidly growing emerging marketing worldwide. HP Consumer Contact Center also, technical support and contact center. And HP Global Software Limited, HP Services Global Delivery Operations in India for application services. Product segmentation. First of all, what is product segmentation? It's when a company modifies its product into several different products in order to attract different kinds of customers or target different markets. In this, with such a high brand visibility and high top of mind awareness, HP leads the market. The world's largest PC maker works with GMR marketing company to increase its visibility through sponsoring different activities and events happening worldwide. HP introduced Touch Smart PC, an all-in-one PC with a touchscreen display in 2007. And HP CarePack are designed to cost-effectively upgrade or extend a customer's standard warranty with easy to buy, easy to use support packages. And after this, the competition in the market for the HP we will consider in two segments. First in the personal system segment and the second in printing segment. In personal system segment, Lenovo, Dell, Apple, Samsung, Acer, and in the printing segment, Canon, Xerox, Samsung, etc. After this, the OB dimensions of HP. OB means organizational behavior. Organizational behavior is a study of human behavior in organizational settings. The interface between human behavior and the organization itself. So in this, first, hygiene factor, preference to the employee's merits, third, contingency factor, and the last, fourth, job satisfaction. After this, market strategy. to concentrate its limited resources on the greatest opportunities to increase sales and achieve a sustainable competitive advantage. So, HP are name popularly known for their PCs and printers, but when it comes to the company as a whole, they have used demographic and geographic segmentation variables to address the needs of the retail and corporate customers. Targeting is one of the important pillars of the marketing strategy. HP uses differentiating targeting strategy to provide customized products and services to the enterprises. HP uses a mix of value and pricing based positioning strategies to compete in the market. HP's mission, a mission we can call a concise explanation of the organization's reason for existence. It describes the organization's purpose and its overall intention. The mission statement supports the vision and serves to communicate purpose and direction to employees, customers, vendors, and other stakeholders. So, the HP's mission is they are creating technology that makes life better for everyone, everywhere. Our mission is to engineer experiences that amaze. And vision. What is vision? Vision is a vivid mental image of what you want your business to be at some point in future. Based on your goals and objectives, aspirations, a vision statement captures in writing the essence of where you want to take your business, your company, and can inspire you and your staff to reach that goal. So the HPA visions is to create technology that makes it life better for people, community around the globe. And their tagline, as we know, keep reinventing. McKinsey's 7S. First of all, we should have the knowledge of McKinsey's and Company. McKinsey and Company is a management consulting firm which was founded in 1926. James O. McKinsey that advises on strategic management to corporations, governments, and other organizations. In this 7SR, first S is strategy. In strategy, consumer focus, market focus, segment focus, dual brand marketing strategy, globalization, and the second, system. EMEA, business management system. Third, skills. Fourth, staff, whereas 350,000 people from more than 160 countries. And this is the structure of 7S framework. Shared values in this: passion for customers, trust and respect for individuals, achievement and contribution, speed and agility, meaningful innovation, uncompromising integrity. Structure on the basis of area of activity, EMEA, on the basis of product, the personal system groups. Service and HP software, the imaging and printing group, and enterprise servers, storage and networking. HP financial services and corporate investments. After this, conclusion. HP is the finest and most recognized company present in the IT industry. As their consistency over the products is excellent, we can easily rely on them. Company understands and responds to the needs and preferences of the customers. And also their after sales service don't take so much of time to fulfill the service, as their service centers are easily available in small cities, towns, etc. Its main strength in its well-developed and professional human resources. It's the right place for career growth. HP is picking up well in the fast-moving IT sector. Due to their experience of long years in the industry, they can easily gain first-ever advantage in the market. The company industry is a stable, competitive market with any one company able to pull ahead at any time. There is low likelihood of any new entrants. HP has been making moves to maintain a top spot by investing in research and development and appealing to a large portion of the market. Thank you.